Hello guys, this is Frank the Anointed FS Academy, and this is our lesson 6. Lesson 6. The last time I told you I'm going to do about leading diagonal and the ending diagonal. That is different with diagonal that I showed you the other time. The other one is a corrective diagonal. That's why for corrective wave. But this leading diagonal and ending diagonal always occur in a specific places in a 5-wave move in trend. Leading diagonal is used to mark the beginning of the trend, and the ending diagonal is used to mark the ending of a trend. So that is why you see it as Elliott wave trend beginning and reversal. The leading diagonal is for beginning of the trend, ending diagonal is for ending of the trend. So for you to know when the trend is ending and when the trend is beginning, you will have to deploy your knowledge about leading and ending diagonal. You understand, guys? You have to deploy your knowledge about leading and ending diagonal. So once you see a trend and there's this ending diagonal in the trade, you will know that this trend is coming to an end. This very trend is coming to an end. So let me show you guys how it works and how it is being traded. Okay, this is a bullish scenario. Two of them are bullish scenarios. They are not bearish. I'll show you the bearish pattern of it. But let's just start with the bullish pattern of it. Okay, this is leading diagram. Whenever you see the trade moving like maybe a down trade came like this, the down trade came like this, then stop here, and then you saw the market coming like this. And so many people think that it's going to be a correction. Some people think that it's going to be a correction, but it's not a correction. It's just a leading diagonal showing you that a new wave, a new trend is about to begin. A new trend is about to begin. So a downtrend came like this, and you begin to see something like this. You know that a new trend is about to begin. All you have to do, that is why you see something like this. You sell it from here, it will not even come below here. It will stop halfway, and then boom, you begin to wonder what really happened. It's because it's a leading diagonal. It's a leading diagonal. So the issue here is before this leading diagonal, you must see a ending diagonal here in this bearish trend. Okay, let me draw the bearish pattern of it so that you can connect it together. You will see the bigger picture. The market is not that difficult. Let me show you. Let me show you something. Okay, this is a downtrend that's coming. Boom, 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 boom. Then something like this occur in the downtrend. Then connects to here. You see that something like this occur in that downtrend. So I want to show you something. Forget about my drawings. I want to show you something how these two related. How this leading and ending diagonal related. So if you see something like this, it means that this downtrend is ending. That is ending diagonal. It occurs. What difference between leading diagonal and ending diagonal is their place they occur. The leading diagonal occur in wave 1. The ending diagonal occur in wave 5. This is wave 5. This is wave 1. So leading diagonal occur in wave 1. Ending diagonal occur in wave 5. That is the difference. So wave 5 of that downtrend is where this I made a mistake in this my drawing. Just a bit. I press it. Looking at it, you can see the fifth wave was an ending diagonal. You see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, let's make it something like what we have so that it will be more appealing. We got it like the same thing. So now we have to make it look like what we are learning. So let's use this place as an example. There is an example. So do you see that? So this is an ending diagonal. This is a leading diagonal. So once you have seen the ending diagonal, you already know that the trend is about to end, and you're going to be a reversal. So once this is occur, and then you see a leading diagonal, you already know that it's not going to be a correction. It's a beginning of another trend, which is the leading diagonal. So that is how to differentiate this leading diagonal with ending diagonal. Do you understand? So this is the ending, this is the leading. Do you understand? You get it, guys? This is ending, this is leading. Also, there is going to be leading in a bearish market. Let's assume this is a bearish about to start. You will see something like this. Bearish scenario. So let's paint it the way everyone can understand. I hope you get it now. I hope you get it. You see this thing. This is leading diagonal in a bearish market. Bearish market. This is ending diagonal in a bullish market. This is leading diagonal in a bullish market. This is ending diagonal in a bearish market. They connect each other. So once market is bearish and you see this thing, you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the fifth wave we see something like this, then you know that the trend is coming to an end. The same thing goes once market is bullish and you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and in the fifth wave we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you know that the market is about to end. That is ending diagonal. That the trend is about to end. Okay. Now once the trend begins, I see another thing like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look like a correction, but it is not correct. You know that a new trend is about to form. The same thing goes here in a bearish scenario. We need to about to form. I hope you guys get this picture that I'm painting for you. Okay, let's go to the chart. I think that will help us a little more. That is a little more. That will be of a help on us. Let me look for a diagram. I think I found one. Was it in this pair the other time? Wait, maybe it was a 4 hours time frame. Oh, 4 hour time frame, so I can get it easily. This is an ending diagonal. It's an ending diagonal. I hope you guys can see it practically. Do you see that? It's exactly this exact picture of an ending diagonal. You can see the trend. Look at the trend. It has been bearish, 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 bearish from here. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then ending diagonal occur. Let's label it. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you see that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the fifth wave was an ending diagonal. Let me label it also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let me mark this one bigger. We can separate the case study to what we are about to teach. Okay. So can you see what I'm teaching you here? We played out so nicely. This is what we use to spot whenever trend is about to change. And whenever a new trend is coming, is this leading and ending. On this chart here, you are seeing this ending diagonal. You see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's an ending diagonal. And after it, you see another import that come up here, break this for, and then drop again, and another one begin. So this is exactly what I am telling you. But this plate does not play the leading diagonal. Just a normal bullish with 1, with 2, and then with 3. So we have diagonal play that here is this one. Okay, see the leading diagonal here. This is a leading, it can be a leading diagonal. You see that? Do you see that, guys? Leading diagonal. Will you occur to that is a leading diagonal? Hmm? Although I did not mark it as a leading diagonal though, but it can be used, can be seen as a leading diagonal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then correction. Yes, that is it. It can be used as a leading diagonal. It can be used as a leading diagonal. Can you see what I'm showing you? It's not rocket science. It's what always occur in the markets. Plays out all the time. Only others can see them. This is an ending diagonal. This is the ending diagonal. This is the leading diagonal. So what I would say, so the ending diagonal mark the end of the trends, and the leading diagonal marks the beginning of the trends. So once you see an ending diagonal in any pattern, you know that that trend is coming to an end. And once you see a leading diagonal, you know that that's a new beginning trend is about to happen. And see what happened after that leading diagonal. Boom, market flied up. Wow, a very big move. I hope you guys understand now. Let's go to another example. I think, let me look for example, another pair. The grade between pairs and for example, in grade between pair, the diagonal also, any diagonal, but this is not a, this is a ending of, showing the ending of wave 3. And you see the ending diagonal, it's just showing you the end of wave 3. So when this thing happens, I know that wave 4 is going to happen. So you set it to wave 4 and then close, then wave 5 come up and that's correction come. So it can happen in wave 3, but this is a lower time frame, doesn't carry so much weight. Where it carries so much weight is if it happens in wave 5, in a fifth wave, and I think it's here again in this fifth wave. So anytime you see a diagonal in the fifth wave, believe you me, it's a good opportunity. So the trend is about to change. All you have to do is to position yourself for a greater ride. Position yourself for a greater ride. This is not a diagonal. Although it's a diagonal, but it didn't show up well, and it will confuse some traders. Some new trader will not capture it. But to me, I know it's a diagram. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Anyway, that's diagram. That's diagram. So that is an ending diagram. That what about this change in this way, in this trend? So pay attention to it. Anytime we are dealing with fifth wave, just look for diagonal. If diagonal is still there, it's not fifth wave. If diagonal is not in that fifth wave, it's not a fifth wave. See, there's a diagonal there. If you go down the lower time frame, you will find out that it's a diagonal in this place again. Okay, let's go down to 1 hour. Let's look whether it's two something. Let's find out. See, The diagonal there must be a diagonal in fifth wave. That's what give it, and that's what is the sign. And this trend is about to change. So once you know that there's going to be a diagonal in fifth wave that brought about change in trends, then whenever you are trading and there's a fifth wave, just wait for it. It will come. And that is all, guys, for this video. Just if you have any question, send me a message weekly. And the secret of learning is about what? Practice. I say it again, practice. Practice what you learned. Practice what you learned. Practice it well. If you don't practice it, then that is nothing. You learn nothing. If you don't practice it, then you learn nothing. You must practice that which you learn for it to be useful to you. If it's not, it's not going to be useful to you. You must practice it to be useful to you. And when you practice it well, you will discover that it's not that rocket science, and it's very easy to master. Okay, guys, if you have any question on this lesson, sis, you find my contact, send it to me. Let's interact, and I will give you the answer immediately. If you're not satisfied, tell me that you're not satisfied. That is all, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.